sounds badass, doesn't she? But that truck's probably got more horsepower than this thing does. But hey, sure is fun. But anyway, the rear pinion seal, or something leaks around the differential, so we're going to climb under there and take a look. I bought a new pinion seal just to be ready and just in case. But yeah, I don't think there's much gear oil in this thing. So, all right, here we go. So you were looking at my pinion seal, and you can see it's been well oiled from the seal there. I don't know, it's kind of dark under here. There we go. It's been leaking for a while because look at the lint build up on the front of the pumpkin there. All right, I got the pinion seal out, and here's the pinion, and you can see how greasy it is. That thing's leaked forever. I probably just kept putting oil in it and putting oil in it. So when I brought the car home, it was leaking in the driveway. You can't mistake that smell. It's not a pretty one. So I've got the other seal right here, and we'll slap that puppy in and put this thing back together. Okay, I got the yoke all cleaned up, and the bolt and everything. That took 2 cans of brake clean and a lot of scrubbing, but it's pretty clean now. So I got the new seal in, and just going to slap this in here and get done before it gets dark. So here's the gear oil I got. You've probably seen the commercials for this Easy Pack. Kind of can't wait to try it out here. I got the plug out, and I'd show you, but it's dark under the car, and I'm fighting the darkness. It's a little storm blew through here, and it got cloudy. So I'm starting to fill the pumpkin back up, and should be done here pretty soon. 13 points a game. Got it back together. It runs under its own power, and I'm going to take it for a little spin around the block here. I got a mess to clean up yet. Little overflow from the pumpkin, and these things work pretty good. So you got to do this for sure. Think about getting that bag. Let's go for the spin. So I put a new pinion seal on my Grand Am here a couple weeks ago, and I thought I'd follow up because I have to finish the video, but I wanted to see if it would leak after a period of time of driving it. So I got it out, and I thought I'd share it with you. So let's climb down here, and if you look, no drips. It's been working great. Driven it a couple times now. So we'll call that mission accomplished. So at this point, I got most of the mechanics sorted out. I think maybe now I can drive it down to the DMV and get some plates for it. I'm also ready to paint the nose, and once I do that, I can make it look pretty. If you like the video, come back, subscribe, smash that like button, and look forward to seeing you again on the next video. All right, have a great day.